I am disabled and pregnant. The internet has doubted my parenting abilities. I receive thousands of mean comments every day. You can't even move during sex. Is this legal? How are you going to take care of a child when you can't even take care of yourself? How will you change a diaper? How will you feed the baby? I have a rare disease called spinal muscular atrophy type 2. And my weak, disabled body is creating a whole human being. I thought that my pregnancy would be full of beautiful photo shoots with my boyfriend and being happy and cheerful. But that is not the case for my pregnancy. It is hard. The sickness, the fatigue, the ableism, the suctioning constantly, the peeing every minute, and the struggle to eat, the mood swings and the crying, the identity crisis, and the criticism. An able bodied person assuming my capabilities about my parenting ability. That's unacceptable. My comment section has been flooded with comments insinuating that Noah did something wrong by sleeping with me and us getting pregnant together. The idea of disabled people being intimate with a non disabled person and procreating really seems to unsettle people. Let's get one thing straight. Disabled people are worth of intimacy. Disabled people have sex. Disabled people date and have relationships. Disabled people get pregnant and give birth. Disabled people are parents. My boyfriend and I might not have gotten pregnant under the perfect, stereotypical circumstances, but that's the thing. Most big life changes come by complete surprise. And sometimes those surprises are the best gifts of your life. I've always dreamed of being a mother. I've never planned on birthing a child with my own body. But here we are. And I am going to take in every single moment of this amazing thing my body is undergoing. I am capable. I am loving. I am attentive. I am strong. I am nurturing. I am passionate. I am a financial provider. I am a disabled mother. And that is powerful.